at it again, yet another quiz video. This time we're taking the Can You Name Every Roller Coaster Above 200 Feet. This was again inspired by Airtime Thrills' video. A link to his video will be in the description. If you want to take this same quiz, stop the video right now and take it and see how you compare to me. A link to that will be in the description as well. With that being said, let's get into the quiz. Right, let's see, we got 10 minutes to name all 43 of them. I'm pretty sure it's only North America, but let's find out. Yep, it's only North America, so, Regime Bowl. Steel Vengeance. Magnum XL 200. Lion Force. Cannonium, Orion, Top Thrill Dragster, maybe Accelerator. That's not on it. It's wrong, but it should be on it. X2 opened in 2002. Easy way to remember it. Fury 325. Intimidator. 305. Do it for Dale. If you know where that's from, post it in the comments. Steel Curtain. There's Revenge. What's the other one opened in 2019? Yeah. Yukon Striker. Raven, Griffin, and Shikra, the dive coasters. Mamba, Steel Force, Wild Thing, the Morgan Hypercoasters, Metro, Titan, Goliath, Easy Twofer, Big Apple Coaster, and Desperado, ones I really regret not getting. I was in Vegas last year. Opened in 1999. in alphabetical, so yeah. Can't forget about that one. Oh. Superman Ride. Superman Ride Steel. Superman Ultimo Escape. Superman Escape from Krypton. Are you yelling at me for easy ones and forgetting? Yeah. Cannibals one. Mr. Freeze is one. It's like barely 200 feet. And Sky Rush. Probably screen at me for that one. Leviathan, Behemoth. Leviathan, Behemoth. (2016). These are the Mako. How can I forget that one? And I think it's invalid. I think when there's a void, like here, because they added accelerator in later, or double tap question, and there we go, 100%. Top 0.4%, 99th percentile. Okay, so that's the quiz. How'd you guys do? Post the results in the comments. Remember, if you like this video, to drop a like, and if you really liked it, please consider subscribing. My next video will be my top 25 roller coasters I have ridden, so stay tuned for that one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.